How to permanently delete your YouTube channel. To permanently delete your YouTube channel, instead of going to the YouTube application, we will do that by going into the Google Chrome. Make sure that you have logged in your account. Now tap at the bottom right 3 dots and select Request Desktop Site. It will take a moment to load. You can zoom by pinching the top right corner and tap on the profile menu. Select the settings right here. Since this is a desktop site, it might be slightly uncomfortable for you to navigate. Simply click on the View Advanced Settings. And right here you can see there is an option of Delete Channel. Simply select it and you will be required to put in your password. After that is done, read through these terms and conditions and click on the tick buttons, and here there is an option of Delete My Content. Select Delete My Content here and you will now be required to put in an alternative email. And that's it. This is how you can permanently delete your YouTube channel. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.